Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a language on MetaMask app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your MetaMask app right over here. Scan Face ID, get signed in. And now simply go ahead, tap on this settings icon at the bottom right, your general option on top. And now you're gonna find this option of current language right over here. Tap on this drop down icon and change it to whichever one you would prefer. Once it's done change, you're gonna again go ahead, tap on it and go to this language section and change it to back it to English or whichever one you prefer accordingly, and then you're good to go. That's how easy it is. Again, go to general, scroll a bit and go to this little drop down icon and change it to however you would prefer. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.